In this video, I'll present a management system and configuration and monitoring FCAPS system for a set of devices which provide internet to remote locations. It manages central locations or hubs, which are responsible for providing internet access and terminals for end users. Let's say customer devices, for example, on a boat on the ocean or on a mountain. So these devices can have access to internet even in remote locations. It is a satellite-based communication, given the fact they need to. We need to support remote locations, and there is a planning to be put in place regarding frequencies, modulating data, compression data, quality of service data, and also some networking data like a range of IP addresses, DNS, to provide for the terminals. The hubs. The hub is actually a collection of functionalities provided by one or more devices, and our system is actually part of a hub because, for example, it's generating and allocating IP addresses for the remote units for the terminals in the defined range. But it's a collection of functionalities, all of them providing in the end links, uplinks or downlinks to and from the satellite, so that the remote terminal can have access to the internet. Dashboards. It's a different dashboard for every functionality. There is this kind of functionality that shape the way the terminals are configured and obtain access to the internet. There is one uplink and then several downlinks, which can be configured in this hub. And then we have the terminals, which can have different states. They can be online, which are actively using the system and the internet provided by the system. Unreachable, they are not using, or uncommissioned, meaning they are not yet in service. We can go into one of these devices and see more information about it, like hardware and firmware information. For more information, we can actually see some performance data for this device. Having a few KPIs here, we can go and locate the device on the map. This is one device, but we can go to all the devices, not only this one, and go to the map again and see where all the remote devices are placed. Similarly, we can also see the devices that have alarms on them. They are marked on the map. We can also go to the hub and see where the hubs are placed on the map. We have a fault management for alarms, in this case for the hubs, but we can also go to the terminals and see the alarms for the terminals, and we also have performance monitoring for some functionalities of the hub. This summarizes the key aspects of the NEXOG management system, which is responsible for the supervision and control of satellite-based devices or communication devices that rely on satellite connectivity. The system efficiently manages the operations and functionality of these devices, ensuring seamless communication and effective utilization of satellite resources. Thank you.